I will stitch now the zigzag for the buttonholes. Okay. Just put it on the number, if you're using portable number 8 for this sewing machine, or number 8. Number 8. I don't know, in another portable sewing machine you have to check. I will just do one buttonhole, okay? Because it is rounded, I will move it like that too. Follow the round shape. I'm so careful about, I don't like to have accident in this sewing machine. Just a moment. There is a motion like that. So I know how, where it will move, it's wrong, so I have to fix it. The line of the, so I change the motion. Come on, that time. So if you're wrong, you cut it because it's changing. Like that, I will show you the partial. Cut the extra threads so it will be neat showing you. This is the buttonholes. So assuming this is the needle of the sewing machine, you have to position the needle here at the holes, and then the doing of the stitching is like that, going there, going here, going there, going here. So you see this one, the stitch is there, wrapping up, locking up the edge, right? So you do this, you watch your needle for the zigzag. If it start here, it will go there on the hole, then come back here, then go into the hole like that, around this hole. Is that okay? Okay, I'll do the two of the camera, and then after this video, so that I will finish this project showing you, I will do this hip line, and that's the end of this project. The next video I will do this hip line. Thanks for watching.